everybody, we are going to make a super easy recipe for foaming hand wash, and Jessica's going to help me. And we have some, well, I have some old On Guard foaming hand wash containers that I'm just going to put the remaining in and just save it. And then I have the On Guard foaming hand wash container. And even though we're not going to be doing On Guard specifically, these still work just perfectly fine. So what we're going to do first is we add 3 cups of water and 3/4 cups of natural Castile soap.
And what is
Castile soap?
And where could I pick some of that up if I wanted to get some?
I order this online on Amazon, or you can get it from like Target or Walmart, even over in like the natural soap area, or like the bubble baths and stuff. They usually have like the Dr. Bonner's soap. This one was pretty inexpensive off of Amazon, so it's called Dr. Woods, and it's a baby mild. So it's unscented. We want to use unscented, hypoallergenic, and that way it's more sensitive, not, good for sensitive skin. So we're going to use 15 drops of 3 different oils, and we're going to use eucalyptus, lavender, and wild orange. And these are all, of course, doTERRA essential oils that are certified pure tested grade, and they are so great for the body, internally, externally. The purity really makes a difference when you're using essential oils on the skin. So we want to make sure that we have a really good quality.
And why are you choosing these 3 oils?
Okay, so the lavender is really soothing for the skin, so it's not going to dry your skin out. Wild orange is invigorating and cleansing, and eucalyptus helps with breathing, aromatics, and also antibacterial. So these are all really wonderful for adding into the hand soap.
And what if I don't like one of the smells?
You can always add another aroma. So a really great way for you to see what kind of oils you want to use is grab 2 or 3 of the oils that you have and just kind of waft them under your nose, kind of like this. And you'll just smell what you get there, and if you like the aroma, then you can definitely use it. And you can look up on doTERRA.com, and you can research like what oils might be antibacterial or antimicrobial, use the properties that you want for the oils, and to be able to mix in with your products. So that's wonderful. What do you love about these oils, Jessica?
So lavender I think is fantastic because especially with the summer, it's soothing for the skin. So, like you're always out in the sun and maybe you do have a sunburn and you don't know it, and you're not going to be, like irritating that with the lavender. You're just going to be able to put it on your hands and they're going to be soothing and ready to go.
Absolutely. Yeah, I put lavender on a couple of my friends recently who had sunburn, and it was amazing. It really helps to heal up burns and skin irritations really fast. Bug bites, bee stings. So it's really wonderful. My youngest son is really allergic to mosquitoes, so we can put the lavender on his mosquito bites if he gets any. And I like to make our own bug spray out of citronella. Oh, beautiful. That's all right. That's all right. No worries. Let's see how much it foams. Oh, nice. Oh, it smells good.
All right, let me see. Oh, I can feel how soft it's already making my hands.
Oh, I like that.
Hand soaps for me dry out my skin so fast, so I love that I don't have to worry about that.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. I have had similar problems with using too much soap. As a massage therapist, I wash my hands a lot when I'm seeing clients, and so it makes a big difference to have a soap that's not too drying, and it's still, cleansing and helps with the bacteria. So
And it smells so good.
still smells good. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Jessica, for helping me out, and I hope that y'all learned how to make this super easy recipe. We're gonna fill up our old bottles so we have some to spare, because it made quite a bit. So we still have a third of this jug left, and we're gonna keep using it. So have a wonderful day. Thank you.